Addition in algebra. Here we have a sum. Add 3a plus 2b minus 4c and 2c minus 5b plus 8a using column method. Here we have two steps to do this addition using column method. Let us see what's our first step. Step 1 is we need to rewrite the given expression in such a way that their like terms are one below the other. So we have all the A terms one below the other and B terms, C terms lying column wise one below the other. Step 2 is to add or subtract like terms column wise. Here we have 3a and plus a which are both in positive sign. So we are going to add up. So 3a plus 8a is 11a and plus 2b minus 5b. Since we have two different signs, we are going to subtract it. We have minus 3b, minus because 5 is the greater number. Then we are going to subtract minus 4c and plus 2c because they are of two different signs. So on subtracting minus 4c plus 2c, we have minus 2c. Now let us see how to solve few more problems using column method. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Links to my other videos are given below in description box. Okay. We have 3x plus 8y plus 7z and 6y plus 4z minus 2x and 3y minus 4x plus 6z. We are going to add this in the form of column method. Okay, let us see how we can do using column method. So first let me write x, y and z. Okay, so first equation says 3x plus 8y plus 7z and my second equation says 6y. So under y column we are going to put plus 6y plus 4z under z column and minus 2x under x column. Now my third equation is 3y. So it is plus 3y minus 4x plus 6z. We are going to add this. Okay. So how we are going to add? When we are adding, we are only adding x term and y term and z term separately. So 3x minus 2x minus 4x gives minus 3x. Then 8y plus 6y plus 3y is plus 17y. Then 7z plus 4z plus 6z is 17z. Our next sum is 4x square plus 8xy minus 2y square and 8xy minus 5y square plus x square. So we have x square term, y square and xy term, right? So I'll put x square and xy, y square term. Okay. So first equation is 4x square. So 4x square plus 8xy minus 2y square. And my second equation is plus 8xy minus 5y square plus x square. So we need to add this. As I told you earlier, we are going to add separately, right? So it's going to be 4x square plus 5x square is 4x square plus x square is 5x square plus 8xy plus 8xy is going to be 16xy. Then minus 2y square minus 5y square is minus 7y square. 9x square minus 6x plus 7 and 5 minus 4x and 6 minus 3x square. So here we have x square terms, x term and a constant. So let us have x square, x and constant. Okay. So what is my first equation? It is 9x square minus 6x plus 7. And next we don't have x square, so we'll put 0 plus 5 minus 4x. Then our third equation is 6. So it is 6 minus 3x square and no x term, so we'll put 0 over here. Okay. Now let us add this. So we have 9x square minus 3x square is going to be 6x square. Why? Because we have two different signs, so we are going to subtract it, and the greater number sign we are going to put here. Okay. So minus 6x and minus 4x, same sign, so we are going to add. So it is going to be 10x, and the higher number sign we are going to put in between. So it is minus 10x. Here plus 5 plus 7 and plus 6 gives plus 18. 4a square plus 5b square minus 6ab, 3ab, and we have 6a square minus 2b square and 4b square minus 5ab. So what we are going to do, we have a square term, we have b square term, and we have ab term. Okay, so first equation is 4a square plus 5b square minus 6ab. Now second expression we have only 3ab, so no a square term, no b square term, and it is only plus 3ab. Now third equation is 6a square minus 2b square and no ab term. Okay, so here we don't have 4b square minus 5ab, so no a square term, plus 4b square minus 5ab. Now let us see how to add. So 4a square plus 6a square gives 10a square, and here plus 5b square minus 2b square plus 4b square gives 7b square, and under ab term we have minus 6ab plus 3ab plus 0 minus 5ab, which gives minus 8ab. Find the sum of x cube and 3x square y and 2y square. Here we don't have any like terms, we have terms which are different. So what we are going to do, we are just adding x cube plus 3x square y plus 2y square. We have to add unlike terms. So find the sum of x and 3y. It's going to be x plus 3y.